We're at Accessories International, and today we are checking out the RR LED kit from Rade Garage that's made specifically for the CFMoto 450MT. If you're looking for a rally-inspired design, powerful LED lighting, and a functional navigation setup, then this kit is exactly the upgrade you're looking for. And the kit really isn't just about looks either. This is going to enhance your wind protection, it's going to give you better nighttime visibility and better off-road capability for a more refined and adventure-ready setup on your longer rides. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and let's get into it. This is a CFMoto 450MT RR LED lighting kit, and this is designed with a bold rally style aesthetic, which is going to make your bike stand out both on and off the road. Now the windscreen follows the bike's natural lines while adding a nice level of wind protection to your motorcycle. The windscreen has been tested in real-world adventure conditions, so it's going to be sure to give you durability and better aerodynamics at high speeds. Now one of the biggest advantages of this kit is that 12mm navigation bar. This is going to give you significantly more space to mount your devices compared to your stock setup, so whether you have your smartphone, a Garmin GPS, or even one of our 8-inch DMD navigation tablets, this setup is going to be sure that your device is secure and protected from vibrations while you're riding. The navigation bar is designed to really help reduce the vibrations on your device, keeping your screen stable during those off-road riding conditions, especially when the terrain starts to get more difficult. Now the dual LED headlights included in this kit produce a total of 70 watts and 8,000 lumens, giving you 45% more brightness than your stock lights. The lights are also going to be ECE certified, which means they're fully road legal, so whether you're riding at night or through foggy terrain, the lights are going to be sure that you're seen and can see. Now Rade Garage has designed this kit to be straightforward to install, and everything that you need is included. You get a powder coated mounting bracket, the headlight wiring connections, the side fairings, the windscreen holders, and all the connectors are going to be plug and play, making sure that installing the headlight is hassle-free with no wire cutting or splicing needed. Now in terms of the build quality of this kit in front of us here, the fairing kit is made from a high-quality Lexan, which is both lightweight and impact resistance. This is designed to actually flex and absorb impacts, so it's going to be real durable during your off-road adventures. And the windscreen is also mounted on silent blocks, which basically means it's going to allow it to absorb the vibrations and minor impacts better and not be as prone to cracking. So overall, if you're looking to enhance the style, the visibility, and the functionality of your CFMoto, this is a great addition to your motorcycle. This is going to give you improved aerodynamics and wind protection. You're going to get more space for your navigation tablets or phone. You get brighter LED headlights than your stock, and of course a high quality construction with easy installation overall. It's hard to go wrong with the Rade Garage kit. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us about this kit, feel free to call us at 786-242-5400. Give us a like and subscribe to our video for more content on your CFMoto. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.